Okay, Mary sent me these to try. Now, I know this is all the rage, but I honestly am not sure how well these are going to work. So we'll just give it a try here. All right, so made some bacon. Gonna scrape up my excess grease right there. Put some hot water in. Squirt of soap. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is let this soak for just 2 or 3 minutes to let all the big stuff get off. And then we're going to try the Scrub Daddy. Okay, so we'll see what the big to-do is. So thank you, Mary, for sending these to me. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Let's see, which color should I use? Is there a particular color? I don't know. All right, while we're waiting for that to soak, my friend gave me this pan here. It is a Griswold iron skillet. So the question is, do you think I can get this clean, guys? I'm gonna give it a try and see. Not in this video, I'm gonna do another video. But let me know if you think I can get this clean. Okay, so how do I test this? I don't know how I test this. I guess I'll just start scrubbing. Okay, now this didn't really do anything to get that stuff out. This here is where I'm really curious about. Okay, so let's try a rag with dish soap first. So try it right here. Okay, doesn't really do anything. Get that. So now we're gonna try the Scrub Daddy squirt of dish soap. Okay. Well, that does a little bit better. Not real impressed, actually. But let's try my faithful stainless steel scrubby thing. Okay. Hate to say it, guys. Stainless steel scrubby does a whole lot better. So it's not totally gone. You see right here, it's not totally gone. So let's try with scrubbing pastes. Okay, so I got some, try it right here. See, that got it really clean with the pink stuff. All right, barkeeper's friend. Everyone yelled at me last time because I didn't make a proper paste. Okay, so we'll make a paste. There's a little bit of water. Okay, and let's see. Okay, now I have to let it sit for 1 minute. Okay, I'm looking at the timer right now. Okay, my 1 minute is up. And the Barkeeper's Friend did really well. But now here's the question. Did these things actually do anything? So, I got the pink stuff. I'll do the pink stuff here. Okay, that got it pretty clean. And then the Barkeeper's Friend here. Oops. Still had some of the pink stuff on there. Okay. So now the Barkeeper's Friend here. Okay, I'm not going to let it sit this time. The pink stuff gets it off without letting it sit, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so Barkeeper's Friend and pink stuff did about the same. Honestly, I mean, they're cute, but I don't see the point in these things. So, I don't know. I know it's all the rage and everything, but honestly, if it were me, I would save your money and not waste your money. Just use a wash rag or a stainless steel scrubby. Okay, let's finish cleaning the rest of the pan. There you go. Okay, just for grands, it is time to clean my sink again. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a test with my Comet and see if it gets off these. Well, that one's not on there very much, but well, they're not all on there very much. Okay, see if I can get off the little scratches off my sink. Because I see people cleaning with these things all the time. So I'm gonna use one side with Comet and Scrub Daddy, and I'm going to do one side with Comet and a wash rag. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Yeah, I don't know that it's doing any different. Okay, I think this is just the newfangled contraption of 2020s. I mean, it's okay, but okay, I'm gonna let that sit and bleach for just a minute and then we'll rinse. Yeah, I don't notice any difference. Oops. Okay, let me bleach my sink since the Comet didn't get it out, and then we'll move on. Voila! There you go. It's amazing what a little bit of bleach will do. Thank you, Mary, for sending me these to try. We are definitely going to use them, and if I change my mind after this test, I'm using it for several weeks, I will let you guys know. If you are the queen of burned pans like I am, I'm going to show you today how to clean it. So, this pan here, charred with baking, just really did a number on it. Fill it up with a little bit of water, sprinkle in baking soda, liberally around the bottom, and bring your water to a boil. Let it boil about 5 to 10 minutes. and turn the heat down when it starts to look like it's going to boil over. Turn your heat off, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub out your pan. And it's come right off. Take regular dish soap. Rub it around. And your pan is all nice and clean. This method works great on aluminum, copper, stainless steel, and non-stick pans. So be sure to use this non-abrasive method to save all your burned pans.